I'm here at one of Butler University's on-campus apartments, University Terrace, also known as UT. This year, numerous maintenance reports have been made for issues with bugs, problems with appliances, and flooding. Here is Maddie Bulkley, a resident at UT, discussing her own flooding crisis.
There's always a lot of problems that require maintenance to come. So like we had our ceiling leaking one time, and it completely exposed all the mold in our room.
Along with plumbing issues, some residents have experienced problems with appliances. Here's Maddie again discussing the problems she's had with appliances, such as her fridge, sink, and dishwasher.
We've had sink problems where the pipe completely came off of the underneath of our sink and water just sprayed everywhere. Maintenance did a really good job with the incident, I would say. UT is just a really old building, and maintenance does their best with what they're given.
And of course, these problems are not limited to appliances and plumbing. Reports of bug infestations have also been made to Butler maintenance, and the fear of cockroaches comes to a head with the colder weather approaching. UT resident Haley Stilo has had problems with this herself.
I think probably the first or second week I was here, I had a few stink bugs come in, and I wasn't really sure why, and then I found a cricket. They did come a week later and set cockroach traps, and I think they sprayed my room. I wasn't actually here when they came.
Although maintenance has been on top of issues regarding appliances and plumbing, residents hope for a more aggressive approach regarding bug reports. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Tori Dennis.